Today I'm going to talk about my favorite fish, my favorite mammal, and my favorite bird. My favorite fish is the koi fish. Koi fish are colorful and beautiful fish. They have long fins and come in many colors, like red, white, orange, and yellow. People often keep them in pond for good luck and peace. Koi fish live in clean fresh water. They eat fish food, plants, and small insects. To take care of them, we need to keep their pond clear and give them food every day. They also need enough space to swim and grow. Next, my favorite mammal is the capybara. The capybara is the largest rodent in the world. It has brown fur and a round body with short legs. Capybaras are calm and friendly animals. They live near rivers and lakes in South America. They eat grass, fruit, and plants. To care for a capybara, give it water to swim and fresh grass to eat. They like to live with other capybaras because they are social animals. And finally, my favorite bird is the macaw parrot. Macaw parrots are large, colorful birds. They have bright feathers in blue, yellow, red, and green. They are very smart and can learn to talk. Macaws live in tropical rainforests in Central and South America. They eat nuts, seeds, and fruits. To care them for, we must give them a big cage and toys to play with. They need love, attention, and time to talk every day. And that's all about my three favorite animals. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you for listening and watching.